First, just love to get your take on the natural gas market. You know, obviously, there's two different markets. We talk about Europe and we talk about the U.S., but put it in some perspective for our viewers right now in terms of prices and what your expectations are as we are only a few months away from winter.
We are in the grips of an energy crisis that has been caused because of a significant lack of investment in traditional energy sources. That underinvestment has led to an undersupply. This undersupply has led to these extreme energy prices that we're seeing today. You want to fix this? It's very simple. Find ways to add more supply to the market. If something doesn't change, then we're going to continue to see these high prices snowplow into the future.
All right, add supply into the market. Tell me what that means. And by the way, I mean, we have an abundance of natural gas in this country, and we're not facing anywhere near the potential crisis, are we, that Europe is?
Yeah, that's right. So, looking at Europe real quick, they have completely cut off their ability to secure their energy independence. They've given that to Russia, and you see what Russia is doing with that type of control. It's pretty remarkable how Russia has weaponized energy. They were exporting about 12 BCF a day to Europe in the past. They've taken that down to exporting between 2 to 3 BCF a day. So massive chokes coming from from Russia on Europe. But what can the United States do? We are the world leader in energy production. The world clearly needs a gas champion. The United States, while being the #1 exporter of natural gas, we can do a whole lot more. We have the ability to quadruple our LNG exports. And by doing that, we would be able to put an amount of energy into the world that would be equivalent, would be about 60 BCF a day, is what our export capacity could be. And that would be the energy equivalent of about 10 million barrels a day of oil. So what I'm saying is that the United States has the ability to be the gas champion equivalent to Saudi Arabia, and the world would clearly need that. The only thing we need to do to make that happen is we need to change the perspective, get the permits, and then also get these pipelines built, and this industry will step up and take care of the rest and end this energy crisis that the world is currently dealing with.
All right, well, that's a big ask, and that would take years, wouldn't it? You're also not, I mean, you didn't mention the trains that would have to be built for export terminals. Obviously, we're relying right now largely, I guess, on Cheniere and Freeport. Freeport is closed till October in terms of getting this stuff out of here and over there. Again, aren't we talking many, many billions and billions of dollars that need to be spent, permits that need to be allowed for, and years that need to pass by for this to become a reality?
Yes, timing is one of those things that is not going to be a short-term fix. This is going to take years to get done. But for us to increase our LNG export capacity and get the pipelines needed to do that, industry, we can build things in this country pretty quickly if we're allowed to do it. I see no reason why we couldn't get our LNG export capacity up in a period of time that's less than 2 years. Now, the reality is, with the current regulatory framework that we're dealing with right now, it takes multiple of years longer to do that. But the good news is regulatory concerns are things that we control. We can change these things, and the permit reform that Congress is currently working through right now could be the answer there. As far as the cost and the investment it takes to do this, this is the greatest part of the plan for America to be the energy supplier of the world for natural gas. This is a sustainable solution for us. Now, this will require billions of dollars to do it, but because of the fact that we can deliver gas to the doorstep of Europe for a cost of $10, and that would imply a $4 gas price here in the United States, that's going to save tremendous dollars for consumers around the world and here in the United States, but it's also going to be profitable for industry to be able to do that. So what I'm saying is industry has the capability to fund this ourselves, and it won't cost the government a dime, but there's significant ways that the government can help us accelerate our timelines and lower the hurdles for us to meet the world demand for this energy.